What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Having trouble controlling your outdoor lights? Well, fear not. Something like this, a smart outdoor plug, should actually make that a lot easier for you. And that's why I got it. From, string lights to globe lights to patio lights to holiday lights or inflatables. You've got a lot of things that you're going to put outside. Big inflatable snowmen. Look at this. You can download the Smart Life app right there, which I already use on a number of other things. And so it's kind of nice that that app is being used so heavily by so many manufacturers, because it's kind of nice to find it all in one spot. But I thought we would check this bad boy out, because I think this thing is going to make all the difference in the world for me. So as you can see, we only have a pretty small but pretty heavy duty kind of extension cable right here. This is only maybe 5 inches. Grounded outlet here, or plug, that should plug into any standard outlet. We have a little, looks like a power button with a translucent cover on it. And then the outdoor plug itself, as you can see, has these rubber covers which will fill these grounded outlet here. So you have both of those little tabs to pull them and open them up. And the cool thing about this is when you plug it in and plug in your devices, and when we add this plug to your app, what you should be able to do is control the power to this from your phone in any kind of internet connected phone or device. And so the great thing is turning it on, off without having to go outside, without having to leave your couch, is pretty awesome. So let's get this thing paired up and see if we can use it. So once you have the app downloaded, just to open it up, you're going to have to create an account. To add this plug, just hit the plus sign up at the top right corner. And then the device that you're going to add is the multiple socket plug. So once you add that, it's going to ask you to put it into pairing mode, and you're just going to hold down the power button on the plug for 6 seconds. Then it's going to ask you to enter your Wi-Fi password, and it should connect right away to it. Name the plug, and then it will show up with the switches, and there will be 2 switches because there's 2 outlets on this bad boy. There are 2 little LED lights on the plug that represent each of the different outlets, and so if you tap the power switch to plug 1, you'll see that it turns off and the LED light for plug 1 turns off. And if you tap the switch for plug 2, the light will go off and that plug will stop working too. You can also tap the button to turn them all off or turn them all on, and it's really awesome. So you can control things individually or control them globally. I really like this. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.